But right now, no more teasing. Let's go ahead and see what these... Oh! Yo! Hey, what up guys? Pabs Money Bags here. Back with another sneaker unboxing. And today we're also back with basketball shoes. We haven't done one in a while. Last one was a Jordan 1, which it is a basketball shoe, but it's mostly a lifestyle shoe. So, you know, it's not... I don't know whether or not to count it. But with that said, today we have the Paul George 2, or the PG2, in the ACG colorway. But the ACG, for those of you who don't know, it's also Nike's terminology for all conditions gear. Which pretty much means that, the box already looking a little special. Hold on, let me get my information stuff up. Okay, so the ACG, like I've been trying to tell you, is pretty much made so it can stand a lot of different weather conditions, or a lot of... I know mostly from soccer cleats that they are made so that they can stand like the rain and stuff, or like wet grass or wet conditions, snow and whatnot. Once again, the box a little bit more special. It's got this little like space. It's got the space image with this like dry desert-ish, you know, also an image on top. I don't know, it's a really weird box. Huge Nike swoosh over here on one of the sides. Here's the tag. I actually got these in size 11, and these retail for, as you can tell right here, $110. Another 4th of July offer that I found on Twitter. Ooh, look at that. It says Paul George over here on this side. That looks dope. It's like all the stars aligning. That looks pretty dope. And then on the last side, the PG sign. But like I was saying, I found this in a 4th of July deal as well. On Foot Locker, it was a 20% deal off, but then they were already like on sale, I think? Actually, no, hold up. Yeah, so Foot Locker had the 4th of July sale going on, and I got them for, the sale price was $88, and then plus tax, which was just $5, and it was free shipping. It was $93.50. So I ended up paying like pretty much 15 bucks below retail, which is not too bad. The olive tone to them, and the pictures look actually pretty fire. So I'm really interested in seeing that as well. But right now, no more teasing. Let's go ahead and see what these... Oh! Yo! Kiki! Do you love me? Okay. Look at this. I had been wanting the PG2s, or even a PG1. I had been looking for a pair, but these, my guys. Yo. PG13 right here. Oh my god. Alright, let me go ahead and take the left shoe out. I have been impressed so far, I gotta admit it. Even with the box, like, this box is kind of crazy. I was expecting a regular orange Nike box, being 100% honest with you, but they sent out the nice ass box. But let's go ahead and start taking a look at these. So right away I want to go to the tongue, because the highlight orange kind of attracts your eye towards it. You have two highlight orange triangles with a Nike swoosh running across both of them, and then you have PG2 written right below that. And then the laces, nothing really special to the laces, but then right below, or right in between the laces, there is this lace hoop attached to the tongue, which's got a little bit of kind of reflective dots to it. Not a really noticeable detail, but still kind of cool. And then the last two lace hoops are also kind of colored with this highlight orange and the highlight pink. It's got this plastic part, and it kind of, this specific piece, I guess, kind of reminds me a lot of the PG logo. Which now that I already flipped the shoe to the bottom, let's go ahead and take a look at the outsole. Pretty dope outsole. I really like how the PG logo stands out because of the pink, and then it's got this transparent-ish look to it, but then also it's got like splatter paint, or like, it almost looks as if it was dirty. And then it's got this pattern running through the rubber part over here, though, the upper or on the toe box, I mean. You got this piece, like this corner over here, it's all suede on both the shoes, but then over here on the outside, you have a smaller Nike swoosh. And then staying over here on the outside, you have these reflective dots again, creating this little triangle form, which I'm not sure, I'm pretty sure it has something to do with the ACG. I could be totally wrong, but I think that's what it means, or it's just, you know, details to the shoe. And then you got the Nike Zoom foam branding over here on the outside as well, right in the midsole. Moving more towards the heel area, you got more splatter paint on this part of the midsole that runs towards the heel area, and then you also have this Nike swoosh in the navy-ish blue. That same reflective, or the same way that the hoop over here in the laces has the reflective dots, it's also over here holding the laces towards the side. Going to the heel area, you have, on the left shoe, you have the PG logo in pink, but then on the right one, you have it in gray. And I think those two contrasting, on this shot, it looks pretty dope. And then the heel loop has, just like the other loops, all those reflective little dots, and then it runs across the whole strip that runs over here towards the midsole. And then let me go ahead and show you the inside now on this one. So orange Nike swoosh on the inside, and that's on both of them. I think the only contrasting detail is the PG logo in the by the heel loop, I mean. And then staying over here on the inside, you have 93552. I'm not sure what this number means. I want to think it has something to do with PG stats, or maybe his point score. I'm gonna look it up, and it's gonna be appearing on the screen right now. But right above that and next to it at the same time is the 13, which once again stands for his number that he's been wearing since he was still at Indiana, right? And let's go ahead and see what the insoles have. Okay, let me actually unlace these. Oh, look at that. So the right shoe has a 13 right below the heel, and the insole is actually that highlight pink that keeps the color pattern going. So the insole is also pink, but you have the PG logo once again also below the heel. Oh, and of course, see, this is what I was looking for. Like, where's the signature? Of course, let me show you like this. The signature is over here behind the tongue. I guess that's it for the details. So right now, let's go ahead and see how these look on feet. But anyways, guys, that was it for today's video. I really hope you liked it, and if you did, don't forget to leave a thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe to keep on watching more sneaker unboxings. These should still be available at Foot Locker. Last time I checked, it was like 2 days before recording this video. I checked and they were still available. They're no longer on sale, but Foot Locker has been coming out with a bunch of 20% off sales, so you should just be patient with them if you want to cop them. But yeah, once again, that's it for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. You guys are amazing. Best money bags. Out.